Hello student, in the previous lecture you had studied the occurrence of metals. You know that all reactive metals occur in the combined state. From these combined compounds of metals, how will you extract the metal? By using the extraction metals. How will you extract? By using the suitable methods. The first step in the extraction of metal is the concentration of ores. I will today teach to you the next point in this chapter is the concentration of ores. You know that ores contain the some impurities and metals. These impurity present or these impurity also called as the gangue. This gangue is removed from the ores. Firstly, the process in which gangue or impurity present in the ore is separated by using the suitable methods. The process is known as the concentration of ores. The concentration of ores is done by the different methods. Mainly in your syllabus, 5 methods are included. The first method is the hydraulic separation of method. Second is the magnetic separation of method. Third is the flotation method. Fourth is the leaching. And last is the Wilfeli table methods. We will study the one by one. Today I will teach you the first method is the hydraulic separation method. The ore is concentrated by hydraulic separation methods. In this method, the high weighted particle and lighter particle is separated from the ores by the gravitational methods. It means that the hydraulic separation methods, it depends upon the gravitational methods, because the heavy particles settle at the bottoms and lighter particle remove. Therefore, this method mainly depend upon the gravitational methods. Now, what is the structures of these gravitational method separation containers? The hydraulic separation method consists of mainly one tank. This tank having the one outlet at the top position and another outlet present extremely at the bottom, and nearly slightly upper position the one inlet is there, and at top positions they having a tapering vessel which is open in the tank. It means that the structure of this equipment of the hydraulic separation as like a grinding mills. It is as like a grinding mills. And what is how will it work? By using these separation tanks? First, make the ore into powder form, and then add the powder ore through the tapering vessel which is open in the tank. Simultaneously, pass the high pressure stream of water through the inlet, bottom inlet in the tank. Due to the high pressure waters, the water soluble impurity and lighter impurity present in the ore, they are removed from the upper outlet. That is, the gangue is separated from the stream of water through the upper outlet, and heavy particle having nearly same size, they are settled at the bottom of the tank due to the gravitational force. This collected bottom collected concentrated ore at the bottom is separated from the bottom outlet, that is the concentrated ore, it is collected in a separate tank. These concentrated ore do not contain any light impurity, hence it is called as the concentrated ore. Question may be asked in the examination on this point. Write a short notes on hydraulic separation. Second question, define the concentration of ore. Third question, write a short notes on concentration of ore and write its different types of method. Or Draw the well labeled diagrams of hydraulic separation method. Thank you.